Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Hey, in this video, we are going to discuss how to adjust keyboard backlight brightness on Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. For that, simply click on App Launcher icon, click on Settings. Now here click on Device option, click on Keyboard and Input option, and here you will find the option to adjust keyboard backlight brightness. Simply use this slider to increase and decrease the backlight brightness of your keyboard. However, if you're not getting this option, then you can simply update your Chromebook to the latest version of ChromeOS. For that, click on About ChromeOS and check for ChromeOS update. There is also another method to adjust keyboard backlight brightness. For that, you can simply use Chromebook shortcut. Simply press Alt and use the brightness key to increase and decrease the backlight brightness of your Chromebook keyboard. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.